Okay, so you wanted to discuss actually, let me have a look, because we did, workflow, website workflow and smart contract logic. Okay, so what is it about the workflow that you're not understanding?
Yeah, I have noticed some questions while building the UI based on the design. Uh, can you show the screen of figma design?
I can. Let me, let me share my screen. Okay. All right. So, where will the designs be? Where will the designs be? I just have to find the designs in my. Just downloading them now.
Yeah, let me send the link in this box.
Okay.
Let's scroll search first.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, okay. So, in the dashboard, we should some primary information such as total vested and pending token, initial claim and price, and part of the dashboard, right? Yeah, but as you can see in the below, there can be some several vesting contracts such as FIG token, ABC token, and everything. So, but how can I show this information to several tokens in the information panels? So total vested tokens can be 10,000 XYZ and 50,000.
Oh, yes. Right. Okay. I see what you mean. Right. Okay. So basically, these objects, you can change them as and where you need. So the idea is we get the designer to design effectively how they look, but the text that goes within them we can change. But once we've got the assets in Figma, it becomes easier to change, so you don't have to build them yourselves. So the things that we need to show on the dashboard, when it says total vested, that can be in dollars, and and
So yeah,
and
we calculate it as dollars. I'll
yes,
show you.
exactly. And pending tokens. Um, I don't. I think we probably take that one. We probably take that one out or change it. Eligible claim again. That should be in dollars. Now price. I don't know. I don't think we use price because price is not universal. So price. I don't think we use.
Yeah, yeah, we can remove it.
Sorry.
We can remove that.
Yes. Yeah. We can remove. We can remove price. Um,
Okay.
Yeah. So do you see? So basically, the design is not rigid because the designer doesn't know exactly what the final product's going to look like.
Yeah.
He only knows where we are currently and what we're planning. So
Yeah.
he does add some things that we may not need. but we may need. So you can remove things.
Yeah, so I can implement with this basic design as I can edit some conference as P-Tower testing documents, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Let me see. I don't know what I've just got rid of the thing. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so do you get it now? Does that answer your questions?
Yeah, then in the recent transaction panel, yeah, all right. Yeah, so there show displays and informations and transactions. So these transactions are associated the users, right?
Yep.
Oh, so only associated informations can show their transaction panel.
Yeah. See,
Okay.
I'm not. So recent transactions, we can have recent transactions. I don't know if that's as useful as having upcoming releases. So we could have upcoming releases whereby if we know when the block a certain thing is being released, it will show so and so is being released at such and such block. Or you are 80% towards the price target for such and such. We could have it work like that.
So instead of transactions, we can show the information of contracts such as upcoming viewers and pending cartoons.
Exactly. Yeah, we could do. But the idea again, the idea is just that if we are going to show some transaction related information, this would be where we would show it and how we would show it.
Okay, got it.
This graph, I think what we could do is when we click maybe inside here, token investing type, total vested, next unlock target price. Maybe we could have one here that says show graph, and you click show, and then it shows the graph of that particular token in this space.
For price-based vesting or for all type of vesting?
For all types. Because here
Vesting.
for both types, because either way they're both going to have a graph, and it will just be a question of whether or not the graph has the trigger point on there or not.
Yeah, okay. Oh, but this price chart graph, the token should be listed in Gecko terminal. So in the creating flow, please jump the create flow.
In the what? Sorry.
Creating.
Oh, creating. Okay. Yes. Here.
Yeah, here. So there is getting the button. So it's an information from the Figo terminal, right?
Yes. So we put in the contract address here. We'll click get info, and then this side will be populated.
Yeah. So if token is not listed on Gecko terminal, it can be crossed to create a bursting contract, right?
That's true. Yes. If we can't get the information of it from Gecko Terminal, then we can't do it. But Gecko Terminal generally gets everything. And for different chains, we may have to use different sources. But I believe that Gecko Terminal has all of the chains that we are integrating with. It should do.
Yeah. Okay. So if the token listed in Gecko terminal, it can be eligible here.
Yes.
Eligible status, and if there isn't, it is not listed at the Gecko terminal, we can they cannot make vesting contract with that token, right?
Yes, that's right. Or if the contract, or if the token is not a ERC20 or relevant, because someone could put an NFT address in here and get the info. Someone could put in a token that's not quite an ERC20 and has got some kind of power for someone central to remove it from the vesting contract, in which case it's not eligible. So not only does it have to be on Gecko Terminal, but it also has to be ERC20. So just so that it doesn't have any other special powers that allow someone to do a rug pull, even though it's in the vesting contract.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Clear. And I thought that users can create vesting contract using stablecoins such as USDT or USDC. Is it available?
Not currently. No, not currently, because I get
every time there's vesting, it is available, I think.
actually, yeah, I guess we could, but they would get stuck if we done price based. So if you done a USD contract and it only gets released when the token reaches $2, USDC is never going to reach $2.
Yeah.
So I think if it's a stable coin for now, we should have it as in not eligible. In a future version, we'll have it as eligible, but only time based.
Yeah. Okay. But currently, so we can ignore the stablecoin.
Yes. Yeah. Because what we want is we want people that use pump.fun. Are you familiar with pump.fun?
Yeah, sure.
So if people that use pump.fun, when they finish their bonding curve, they allocate a certain amount of tokens to a certain price-based vesting with CryptoSI Vest.
Yeah.
And then their community knows that they're going to try to get that token up to that price. Otherwise, the developers don't get paid anyway. So that's the main use case.
Yeah. I guess Ulsan token is good for fitness questing. But that is Solana version, so we can do in the future, right?
There is what, sorry?
Coupon is Solana.
Oh yes, yeah. But there are a lot of pump.fun clones on EVM. Like every EVM has its own pump fund clone.
Yeah. Sure. And in the time-based vestings, there is a clip-based and all at once. I think that is the same.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, that is the same. That's my mistake. I realized that I done that. I put the same thing twice. So cliff-based and all at once is the same thing.
Yeah, so I can ignore mine.
Yes.
Okay. Also, in the prepping flow, I want you to ask 30 steps in the design so I can make it. Yeah. You can the portrait is showing the writing workflow in one scroll area, but the document it shows to be showing several steps because every vesting type, the creating workflow is different. For every vesting type, so we can change this workflow as using steppers, not using scroll area.
Okay.
Yes. Let me change it. Yeah, and push up the cry page. Yeah, sure. So I can see enable batch claim here option. So I guess this option is not needed because we need to implement batch claim for over tokens.
Yeah, it's not really necessary, but I like it for a tiny extra step in usability. But we can remove it. But I like, if you're going to claim multiple, I like that you click batch before you claim multiple. Just gives the user another element of making sure that the user is definitely doing what they want to do.
Yeah.
That's the reason why I like the batch claim button there. But yeah, you don't really, it won't do anything. It won't do anything.
Yeah, okay. If users select their tokens in the table, yeah, it can be the option of batch claim.
Yes.
No need there is the option for that.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So what I would like is, if you select both of them, then you should select this as well for it to work. Just so that you know for a fact that you haven't just clicked them both by accident. Like, it's just to slow a user down. It's kind of like an "Are you sure?" button. So are you sure you want to claim both of them? Enable batch claim. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, auto convey can be certainly with the logo image for the testing. Testing.
Okay. Yep. Just the icon. It's all on GitHub. It should be all on GitHub. All the logos and everything should be on. We go into GitHub. I'll show you. So,
Oh yeah.
so we have documentation and we have branding. So everything is in here. I'll send you this link now.
Yeah. Is that the repository is public?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, the repo's public. I think you're in here already. You should be in here. Yeah, you're here.
Yeah.
So you have access to read and write. But yeah, so all of the documentation is here. Branding is here. Design is not here, but
Okay.
white paper, etc., all here.
Okay. Let's note the figma design. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So the Explorer. Yeah, here there are 3 filter types. So at the last, it is filtered by dev wallet.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the options for dev wallet?
I guess this will be a search. This will be search, not filter. So this should be search by dev wallet.
Yeah, I thought so.
Yeah.
It should be text filter dev wallet address, right?
Exactly. Yes. And then you put the dev wallet address in there, click search, and then all of the dev wallets that have got different vest in will show up. Here there is only 4, but when we make it, there might be 5 on each row. But because this is small, but this is just an example. But we may have like 5 different cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just depends however many we feel is a good size, that people can still read the text and things.
Yeah, I believe made it as responsive.
Okay.
For large screen, it can show large contract, but the small screen can show small.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, and yeah, so the third field of search is the token name or token symbol.
this part here.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, here we put
Yes, was it?
contract address normally, and click search, and it should show.
Yeah, I'll check this right. Okay. And also there is a status filter. I wanted to make sure it's clear for all kinds of statuses, such as currently there is locked, releasing, active, and active. Yeah, that's all for now. But I want to list the our status that is available for each type of testing.
Right. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. Should I put that in the logic document? The vesting statuses.
Yeah.
Currently, I think what you've said is right. So we'd have locked. We would have
Releasing, active.
yes, releasing.
Yeah, such as those.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can think about it and put it on those documents.
I think those are the three. So what I'm going to add to the logic document will be those three: locked, releasing, or locked. Yeah, locked, releasing, and locked, releasing, completed, and empty. I guess empty will be once the vest has completed and all of the tokens have been removed from the vesting contract. So vesting is where empty is when the vesting contract is totally empty. Locked is before anything is released. Releasing is when we're on a linear coming out, or after the price has been triggered, but it's still not empty. That will be releasing. And then empty will be once it's completely finished. Let me write that down. Actually, I'm recording this anyway, so we'll have the recording. But we'll have locked, releasing,
And completed.
and empty. Yeah, empty, but empty show completed.
Yeah.
Yeah, empty stroke completed. I think we should have those three statuses for now. Keep it simple.
Yeah.
Obviously, within releasing, there's different types of releases, and within empty, there's different reasons for it to be empty, and locked the same. But if we keep it to just those three statuses, I think that keeps it usable.
Yeah. That's all for my questions.
Excellent. Okay, so yeah, if you have any more questions, we'll do another call like this whenever you have them, and then we'll have the thing. I'll upload this on YouTube and I'll share it with you. So anytime if anything there you don't remember, you can just come back and watch the video.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay then, mate. All right, I'll speak to you soon.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Fun time.
No problem. Thank you.